So you all are having a sheet with you. This will be second test in the battery of GTO series, that is group planning exercise. And one most important task where you will be getting last opportunity to give your mental contribution to your group. And out of these 9 tasks, it is the only task which is conducted into 2 phases. It means at first you will be getting an opportunity to write down your individual solution, and then on you will be getting an opportunity to go for a group discussion and look for a common solution. So there you will be participating into group activity also. So your individual potential and your group contribution both is checked into one task. This happens only once into GTO series out of the 9 tasks. This is one such task, right? So you can see this map. I'll be reading out a story around this map which I have framed. On this map you can see Nevada shown on the western side of this map. This place is 15 kilometers from the westernmost point of this road, and this metal road connects Araval on the eastern side, which is 10 kilometers from the easternmost point of the road. This is a railway track which comes from Niazipur railway station and goes to Araval. Niazipur railway station is 25 kilometers from the westernmost point of this railway track. This is a river flowing down, having a railway bridge over it, a road bridge over it, and a dam on the southern part. On the southern part of this map you can see 3 villages: Bakarpur village, Berai village, and Adalpur village. Bakarpur village is having facility of primary health center, which is connected to this metal road by double dotted kacha rasta. At this point you can see a tea stall, and from the tea stall there is again a kacha rasta which is turning down to Palm Grove, goes to Adalpur village and to Berai village. Here on this junction you can see a railway station, and just before the railway station you can see MLQ. MLQ means where the train goes slower down the outer of the station, right? So I'll read out a story for you. You are a group of friends coming from Nevada and going to Araval to attend marriage of your friend's sisters, being solemnized at 8:30 p.m. On the way to Araval, right headlight of your bus was not working. Therefore, driver stopped your bus at the tea stall. You people were waiting at the tea stall. Suddenly you saw an over-speeding jeep coming from Araval direction, took a sharp turn towards the Palm Grove. And then you heard a loud noise. You rushed to the point to check, and you saw the jeep was overturned and the driver of jeep was badly injured. You were trying to help him out when you saw a man came running to you and informs you that he was going to Nevada by car from Araval. On the way he was stopped by 4 people on the gunpoint. They had forcefully taken the car from him and went towards railway bridge. So they had stopped him here, taking a route western bank of the river. They started moving to this bridge, and they have a plan to blast the bridge, railway bridge, when the Niazipur express train comes there, and it reaches on the bridge by 6:45 p.m. So they are in plan to blast that. By then your bus driver informed you that at the tea stall he had heard 2 persons with a small kid talking to someone asking for ransom by 6:30 p.m. otherwise they will kill the small kid. He overheard them that they will take the kid to the dam and will be waiting for the ransom over there. When you people were planning what to do, you were approached by a shepherd expecting your help. He told you that 2 of his sheep escaped deep into the palm grove, and he had heard that the people had seen a ferocious lion on the other side of the eastern side, outskirts of the palm grove 2 days back. Time now is 6 p.m. and the scale you need to follow for this will be 1.5 inch is equal to 1 kilometer. Is it clear? Keep one with you and pass it ahead. Here on, I will be giving you 5 minutes of time to go through this narrative. But while going through the narrative, you people are not allowed to note down any kind of information. You are not allowed to make any kind of mark on this narrative. Therefore, no use of pen while going through the narrative. Your time starts now. Now, any one of you can get up and collect all the narratives. Here on, I will be giving you 10 minutes of time to analyze all the problems and write down your solutions. Your time starts now. Stop writing. Any one of you can get up and collect all the sheets. Here on, I will be giving you 10 minutes of time to analyze all the problems and go for a group discussion. Look for a common solution. The time starts now.
10 kilometers, so it will take around 10 to 15 minutes to reach there. And 3 persons.
Okay, stop your discussion now. Any one of you can come forward and give me the solution map.
Sir, we are a group of 8 students and we are stand on the tea stall. So first of all, we should divide our group into the 3 parts, group A, B and C. Group A consists of 1 people and group B consists of 4 people and group C consists of 3 people. And first of all, group A went to the palm group, and the distance between the side where we stand and the palm group is approx the 10 kilometers. So the condition of the road was average. So the speed of the vehicle is around 30 kilometers per hour to reach the palm group. And now the time is 6:05 p.m. because 6:05 p.m. because 5 minutes we should divide our group and understand the problem. And we reach the palm group and help the person who are met with an accident and went back to the site. And we will reach the Bakrapur village because they have the hospitals also present there. And the distance between the site where we stand there and the Bakrapur village is approximately 30 kilometers. 30 kilometers. So the speed of the vehicle is around the 40 km per hour because the condition of the road was good. So it takes around 30 minutes to reach there. Now the time is 6:05 p.m. After 6:35 we will reach the Bakrapur village, hospitalize the person and save the life of the person. And our group B went to the dam because we have to save the child who are under the ransom, and the distance between the tea stall and the dam is approximately 20 km. So the condition of the road was good, so it takes around 20 minutes to reach there. And group B started approx 6:05 p.m. and reached there approx 6:25 to the dam, and also informed to the police as well as the help to the villagers and catch the miscreant who are under the ransom and catch the child and save the child. And our third problem is that and group C went to the railway bridge, and the distance between the tea stall and the railway bridge is approximately 15 kilometers, and it takes around 20 minutes to reach there. And group C went to the bridge and also informed to the nearby the railway gate man also, and informed to the station to stop the train before reaching the bridge. And also we should further divide our group C into the two parts, and one person can go with the direction of the train where the train is come with 2 to 3 kilometers with red cloth to inform the loco pilot about the danger and stop the train before it, and help to the RPF to catch the miscreant people who are under the bridge, who are wanted to destroying the bridge, and save the train to stop the train before reaching the bridge. And we have to all the people are come back to the tea stall and repair the right headlight of the bus, and went to the arrival to attend the ceremony.
Okay. Go back to your place. Now, see, don't get indulged into such minor things like you started repairing the. There is a thing like your driver would have got it repaired. Why you got involved into that? Right? Second thing, what I want to suggest you, though I am really happy, your writing part is quite clear now. Especially this new boy, Harshit, you are writing good. Calculations are very much clear. You have shown excellent improvement. Second number, yes. Excellent improvement. Rather, performance of 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 was acceptable. You were giving contribution good. तुम्हारे contribution में अभी भी थोड़ा सा दिखता है कि यार you are putting extra efforts. Your contribution was very low. Even yours. You were trying to give good contribution, but still you are quite stressed while participating into the group activities. The next one is like it was not a very effective involvement into the group activity. Right? Really happy seeing your writing part, because this sheet, what you write in selection board, will remain part of your folder, which will be submitted to recruiting directorate later on, and it will be kept safe throughout your service tenure. Clear? So जब इसको साफ सफाई से आप लिख देते हो, that is a very excellent sign. We will be conducting more practice tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Wish you very good luck. Stay fit, stay healthy.